Adding a trek. You can now add your treks into your map. If you have already created treks in your account in the past, they will appear on the list on the left. If not, this will be empty, and you'll need to leave the site builder temporarily and head over to the trek builder to create your first trek. Do this by clicking on Manage Trek, and your treks page will open up in a new window. There, you can select Create New Trek and follow the steps in the trek builder. Once you're done, come back to the site builder and refresh the list to find the trek you just created. Whether you have one trek or many in your list, you can expand the trek to make sure it's what you're looking for. The search bar may also come in handy here. Once you've found the desired trek, click the plus symbol to add it to your site. If you change your mind, click X to remove it. With your chosen treks added to your site, you can now decide whether to display the whole route on your map or just an icon at the start. You can even determine the color and width of the route as it appears on your map by clicking on the pencil icon. Tip: if you have color-coded your trails in your physical site, you can match the colors in your virtual site. Finally, you need to set the navigation mode for arriving at the trek. Choose the mode of transport that you expect most visitors to use when traveling to the beginning of this trek. This allows the system to direct them on the shortest and most appropriate route to the starting point. You can add as many treks as you want, and don't even need to limit yourself to treks inside your polygon. Be aware that a site does require at least one spot of interest to publish, but it does not require any treks. Once you're done, click Next to move on to the next stage.